I want to show you a strategy that I think has big potential right now as we head into spring and summer. There's a print-on-demand product that's currently on sale that gives us an advantage from a margin perspective, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to structure a listing in a way that's designed to get people to buy multiple products at once. Instead of just selling a single item, we're going to combine a hat and a t-shirt into one listing and position it specifically for the bachelorette niche, where people are already buying in groups. If you do this correctly, you're not just making more per sale, you're increasing your average order value in a way that can actually help you get more visibility on Etsy over time. All right, so let's start with the product itself. So what I'm looking at here is Printify. Specifically, this is their on sale section of their catalog, which is something I recommend checking regularly because you can occasionally find products that are discounted enough to give you a real edge. Now, I was looking earlier and I noticed a hat that I have sold a ton of, the Auto Cap foam trucker cap, which right now is priced around $10. And trust me, I've sold a ton of these for more than $20, sometimes like $24. So we're talking massive profit margins, lots of flexibility. We don't have to run ads, but it certainly helps when you're launching new product listings. And I'm seeing just a ton of potential to sell these on Etsy. The next step is actually figuring out what we want to sell and what niche we want to sell this product in. So I'm here inside Profit Tree, my go-to Etsy research tool, and I'm searching something simple like bachelorette hat. And this is exactly what I was expecting to see. Now, I've got it sorted by monthly sales, but you can literally sort by any of the other headers in this data table. So you can sort by price, monthly revenue, total revenue. They have a demand score. You can sort by views, tags, etc. And there's other metrics that are tracked as well. You just have to scroll this table to the right, but we have all the data points that I care most about right now, specifically monthly sales. So I can literally hover over on the left-hand side, and I'm seeing a lot of like custom text, custom logo hats, custom embroidery hats. That's not exactly what I'm looking to compete with, but here we go. We've found the first specific in our niche, not customizable product listing here. And it looks like, according to Profit Tree, it's doing about 173 sales per month, which equates to about $5,800 a month in revenue. Now, you saw how quickly we were able to hone in on this listing. There are many more that Profit Tree's got tracked in its product database, and I'm probably hiding it here, but look over here in the bottom right corner, 144 pages of results. So if you're interested in Profit Tree, I'll link to it below in case you're struggling to find winning products. The easiest way to increase sales, guys, is just give the people what they want. Go find out what they're buying and carve out a piece of that demand for yourself. Now, this listing right here is actually pretty simple. It looks like they're just selling pink hats that say the girls and a white hat that says the bride. Simple enough. No one said it had to be complicated. Now, what I'm thinking is actually a little bit more robust. Like, I always want to know what my edge is. And in this case, I think we can take this listing that's doing quite well, generating thousands of dollars of sales a month, and level it up. Let me show you. Now, where most sellers go wrong is they'll create separate listings for everything. They'll have one listing for a hat and maybe another listing for a t-shirt, even though you could easily sell both products to the customer that's purchasing these hats. So maybe different variations across multiple listings isn't the right way to go. Maybe we corner that customer in one listing and offer them the hats for the bride and the girls and the matching t-shirts. Now, that might sound like a lot of work, but what I'm going to show you in a second is going to blow your mind, because we can do this in minutes using a software solution called Anywhere POD. I actually interviewed the founder of Anywhere POD just a few weeks ago. I will link to that video in the YouTube cards right here and in the description, because this is going to save you a ton of time once you see it. And I'm going to create a step-by-step tutorial in this video that you can follow if you like what you see. So let's go into the screen share. So I'm here in Anywhere POD. In case you've not seen it before, I just want to mention, guys, that it connects to my Etsy account. It also connects to my Printify account. So it's like a bridge between the two that lets me do complex operations, or seemingly complex operations. Maybe a better way of framing it is saying that it allows me to do things that would be complicated and time consuming, except because Anywhere POD is built so well, I can do it in minutes instead of hours. Now, I've shown it in some videos in the past, but today I want to focus on the variant wizard because it's exactly what I need for this example in the bachelorette niche. So over on the left-hand side, I'm going to click variant wizard. Now, the first thing I need to do is select product. So I'm going to click add product, and then I'm going to type in trucker hat, and we should be able to find the auto foam trucker hat. Yep, right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit add product, and then I'm going to select Printify choice. That's usually the best practice. Now, you can offer certain colors or all colors. I specifically want to offer the white hat and the red hat. All right, and then I'm going to hit continue, and then I'm going to hit continue again, but you have the option of setting your pricing here. You also have the option to do that later, so no need to do it right now. And you can also, if you need to, do additional customizations. For instance, you know how on Etsy you have those two drop downs? Like usually it's, if you offer a t-shirt, it's like the size of the shirt and the color of the shirt. Well, if we're doing these complex operations here in Variant Wizard, Anywhere POD is basically a allowing us to customize how we utilize those drop downs so that we can offer, you know, crazy combinations of products. But I don't think we need to actually utilize any of these right now. And also, if you're a beginner doing this for the first time, don't overburden yourself with this. Notice I didn't do anything other than select the hat. Now I'm going to add another product. So I'm going to click add product, and then I'm going to type in, how about we do the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt. So I'm going to type in 3001. I love this as a unisex shirt. You can also see it's tagged as a bestseller. I'm going to hit add product. It also is very affordable at around a $10 price point on average. I'm going to go ahead with printify choice and hit select supplier. And then I'm going to go ahead and notice anywhere POD has the color white and the color red selected by default. Love that. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Then I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to hit continue. Okay. So the next step that we need to do is upload artwork. So I'm going to click upload artwork. Then I'm going to click the upload artwork button. Now I'm going to hit advanced options. And what I'm going to do is limit to colors. I'm going to hit red, and then I'm going to select the t-shirt because I have a different design ready for the t-shirt, and I don't necessarily have to do it this way, but I went ahead and optimized. You also have the ability, by the way, limit to sizes is also an option, but we don't need that. I've never honestly used that. So we've got the color red selected, and so we're basically selecting the red shirt. I'm going to go ahead and upload the design now, and on the red shirt, I'm going to select the design optimized for that says the girls in white text. Again, here now at this step, you have the ability to kind of customize how you would utilize the two drop downs that appear on Etsy, but we don't need to customize those. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Now we have to basically do this again. Upload artwork, advanced options. I'm going to hit red, and then I'm going to hit hat instead of t-shirt. I'm going to upload the file, and I've got basically the same design, except instead of for t-shirts, I've got it optimized for a hat. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then I'm going to save. All right. Next, we're going to upload artwork again, advanced. I'm going to select white this time, and then I'm going to select t-shirt. I'm going to upload the design, and I've got this design optimized for the white shirt. It says the bride in red. I'm going to hit save. Next, we're going to upload artwork again, advanced, select the color white, select the foam trucker hat. I'm going to upload the design that says the bride in red text. So red text against the white hat. We did the white text against the red hat, right? I'm going to hit save. All right. Now we have done everything that we need to do, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the create product button down there in the bottom right corner. And I'm going to move myself back to the bottom right corner. So this is now where you can customize your product listing. Usually the first thing I do is check the mockups. You'll notice in the top left corner there's a little bit of like a flashing status that says generating mockups. So maybe while that works, I can scroll down here and show you guys one thing that you're going to want to double check. So right here in this table right here for variants, you can do things like set your pricing or adjust your pricing. You can edit the title of those drop downs. By default right now, it says size and then it says color. So it's kind of optimized for how people would utilize this for t-shirts, but it also works for the hat. Now here's the thing, look under the size column. When it says one size, we know that that's our hat because hats come in one size. Now to make this clear to our customers, what I recommend doing is instead of calling it one size, call this the trucker hat. Okay, so then what they'll be able to do is select trucker hat and then white, and then down here they'll be able to select trucker hat and then red. Okay, and then if they select anything else, it's going to be the t-shirt size, and then the second drop down will be the color, either white or red. Hopefully that's not too complicated. I will show you the final product listing when it's done. It's still working on the mockups. Behind me here there is a save button. I'm going to go ahead and click the save button just to lock everything in. And while it's working on the mockups, by the way, it's because it's generating mockups for hats, for shirts in multiple colors, etc. You have the ability to generate your entire product listing SEO with AI, or you can also check this out down here, click Etsy Analyzer. And if I recall, I think this is only available to upgraded tiers for Anywhere POD. However, you know, I've been on the upgraded tier for a long time now, so I don't know if anything changed. Just wanted to make that clear. What I'm about to show you, I absolutely love, but I don't know if it's available on the basic tier. So just want to make that clear. Check this out. I'm going to type in bachelorette hat, and then I'm going to hit analyze tags. So we went ahead and had it analyze the best performing tags on Etsy associated with bachelorette hat. You get to literally tell it what to search, and it'll do all the research for you. How cool is that? So it's giving us data based on the top 100 listings that it analyzed. We have the average price, right in line with what I was saying, what percentage is personalized, the average listing age, total views, average favorites, etc. Now, in order to add these to our tags, all you have to do is just click. So if I want to add bachelorette hat, I just click. Add bride hat, click. Embroidered hat, that's pretty generic. Maybe I skip that. Bridal party hat, I like that. Bachelorette gifts, I like that. Bridesmaids hats, I like that. Girls trip hat, Western bachelorette, probably skip that. Custom trucker hat, skip that. Bride tribe, okay. Let's go girls. Bachelorette, I think. Nashville, such a good destination for bachelorette, why not? Bride squad hats, I like that. Country bachelorette, I think that'll do. You guys get the gist, right? You can go ahead and have it select all your tags, then hit save. And this is the fastest way to do the, in my opinion, slowest thing associated with selling on Etsy, which is figuring out your 13 tags that have to be 20 characters or less. So we just did that easily. So I went ahead and typed out a title for this listing, but you can also click the generate with AI button. And if you go and create an API key in your ChatGPT account, copy paste it into Anywhere POD, you'll be able to have it generate your title with a single click. So it's saving you so much time in so many different ways, guys. Now that our mockups are done, by the way, I'm gonna hit the select mockups button, and I just want to show you guys how many mockups it is generating for us behind the scenes here. I believe it taps into the Printify mockups. You also have the ability to upload your own custom mockups. I'll come back to that in a second, but check this out. So I selected all the mockups there at the top, the red shirt, the red hat, the white shirt, the white hat, but you actually have all of these additional mockups that were generated for us down here to choose from. And if you want to add them, all you have to do is simply click and it will move that up to the top of the screen. Okay. And then you have also the ability to reorder them in the way that you think looks best. So for instance, I added another red hat. I'll go ahead and move that there. I'll also move this here with the red hat. Boom. All right. You also have the ability to create your own custom mockups, for instance, like the one you see here, where it will generate a combined mockup with all 4 products. I'm gonna drop a link to the Anywhere POD tutorial video on their YouTube channel in the YouTube cards and in the description. I think that looks great, and all you have to do is hit save selection down there, and it takes you back to this screen. You can look things over one more time. We have the title, the description was generated for us, the tags using the Etsy analyzer. We set up our drop downs here. We renamed the one size to hat. We got hat red, and then we had hat white as well. You can double check your pricing before you publish. You also have the ability to do things like crazy things like bundles and whatnot. You can change the shipping profile here. Of course, you can do that on Etsy as well. And once you think this looks good and is ready to be published, guys, all you have to do is hit the publish button, which I did ahead of time. So I already sent this to Etsy. Let's go take a look at the finished product. And here we are on Etsy, our live product listing, guys. If anybody purchases this, the order is still fulfilled automatically by Printify. So we integrated Printify with Anywhere POD. Nothing is lost or sacrificed in doing the approach that I just shared with you, except we can build out these complex product listings that combine multiple products. This one that I did is not even nearly as complex as they can be now that you know how to do this using Anywhere POD. We have all of our images here, the red shirt that says the girls with the red hat that says the girls, the white shirt for the bride, the white hat for the bride. Love that. We have our primary color drop down here, and then our size drop down with the t-shirt sizes and the hat, and that's about it. Now, if we zoom out for a second, this strategy really works for 3 main reasons. First, it improves your conversion rate because you're presenting a complete solution in a single listing instead of making the customer do extra work, or worse, purchase from one of your competitors for the t-shirt after buying the hat from you. That would be terrible. So why not give them the option of buying it from one listing? Second, it increases your average order value because you're naturally encouraging group purchases, which was already how people behave in this niche. So that just comes down to niche selection, and shout out to Profit Tree for making it easy to find a great opportunity within this niche. And third, it can improve your visibility on Etsy over time because listings that convert well and generate more revenue from group purchases tend to get factored into search. This also works the same way on Amazon, by the way. And this is really where the edge is right now. Most sellers are still thinking in terms of one product per listing, but when you start combining products and structuring your listings around how customers actually buy, you're creating a much stronger offer without needing to change the product itself, which isn't even possible since we're using Printify for fulfillment. So just to recap, we started by finding a product inside Printify's on sale section that gave us the best possible margins. We validated the demand using Profit Tree, and then we used Anywhere POD's variant wizard to save hours by combining a hat and a t-shirt and offering different designs on different colors of those products into a single listing that's designed to increase both conversion rate and average order value, and downstream increase sales because of the effect after you start generating those group orders. So if you want to try this exact setup, I'll have everything linked in the description. And going forward, I'd really encourage you to think less about just uploading designs and more about how you can structure your listings in a way that align with real buying behavior, because that's really where you start to see the biggest gains.